Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, north central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey until 12:15 a.m. At 8:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Washington, Oxford, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Hampton, Bloomsbury, Brass Castle, Pleasant Valley, and Phillipsburg. Reports of road flooding and up to 2.5 inches of rain have already been received. More thunderstorms are moving into the area and additional rainfall is expected. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.